I am helping my neighbor. Her peach tree has peach leaf curl. The tree already has fruit about the size of my little fingertip. I have researched the disease. However, everything I found is for preventive care, fungicides twice a year. The products I have found warn against using them once the tree blossoms. What can I use to get rid of peach leaf curl? And this is Charlie from San Jose, California. All right, so that was a little research, that went to that. So we know it's peach leaf curl.
Yeah. And
how do we get rid of it?
And she told us the answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about that?
Or Charlie.
Charlie,
he told us the answer. Once you've got a disease, unfortunately, most of the time you can't get rid of it. The only thing that you can hope to do is prevent it from spreading.
I knew you were going to say that. Yeah.
And you can prune, do some pruning, summer pruning to get rid of that. But to prevent it from happening, you do need to use the fungicide at the right time. And really, with peach tree curl, only one application is all that's required. You can either do it in the fall after leaf has dropped off that tree, and do a really, really, really good job of spraying the bark, making sure you spray the bark and twigs and get very, very good coverage.
Okay.
Or you can do it in the early spring before bud break. And you're probably going to have a better opportunity in the fall after the leaves drop of getting the weather conditions that will allow you to have that fungicide stay on there and not get washed off.
Right. That's
than
the
you
key.
will in the springtime, right before bud break, because you spray it and then it washes it off.
Right.
And you're like, well, did I kill the fungi? But once you kill it, it won't be a problem.
Right.
But there are a lot of fungicides that will do the trick. The chlorthalonil, Xyram, Furbam, fixed copper, Bordeaux. There's a lot of fungicides that will do the trick. But that will be the only way that you will not have that problem in the future.
Okay.
But once you've got most diseases, once you've got that disease, it stays there, and your best hope is to prevent it from spreading. Your best hope is to prevent it from ever occurring. And that's why we go with preventative fungicide applications. And that's why, we use cover sprays on our fruits, and that's why cover sprays on pecans and then on roses and whatever. It's timing, putting the right product out there at the right time.
And those preventative fungicides, again, could be the ones you just listed for us, right? The fixed coppers, and chlorothalonil.
Right. Just check the label.
Check the label.
The disease will be on the label of the fungicide that's out there.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.